From shadows to light, the transformative journey of an extraordinary wordsmith. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. Born amidst the rolling hills of a small town, the author spent their early years immersed in stories spun by the winds that whispered through the trees. But their life was no fairy tale. Childhood was a tapestry woven with threads of hardship and relentless struggle. Their family, bound by the chains of poverty, lived in a modest home where every meal was a hard won victory. Books were rare treasures, often borrowed from neighbors, their pages a refuge and a promise of worlds beyond the confines of their reality. Despite their keen intellect and voracious appetite for stories, the author was not spared the harshness of life's lessons. School was a battlefield where their dreams clashed with the skepticism of those who could only see limitations. Teachers often dismissed their abilities, failing to recognize the glimmering potential that lay beneath the surface. Yet, amid adversity, a spark ignited within them, a fierce determination to forge a path shaped by words. Their first attempts at writing were met with rejection, echoing the disparaging voices of their past. Manuscripts adorned with red ink, critiques that stung, and letters that began with unfortunately became all too familiar. The world seemed intent on extinguishing their flame, but with every setback, they grew stronger. Writing became both sanctuary and rebellion, a means by which to transcend the boundaries of their reality. Each rejection was a call to refine, each critique a challenge to rise above. Then came the breakthrough moment. It was as if the universe had conspired to align the stars in their favor. A short story, inspired by the very struggles that had shaped them, found its way into the hands of an editor who saw the brilliance in its raw honesty. The story was published, and the world was introduced to an author whose voice was unapologetically authentic, a true reflection of the resilience birthed from adversity. Their first success was not merely a step forward, but a leap into an uncharted territory of promise. Soon, their name was synonymous with literary excellence. They penned tales that resonated with the human condition, exploring depths of emotion with a style that was both lyrical and profound. Their narratives danced between realism and fantasy, weaving intricate tapestries that captivated readers from all walks of life. The author's work resonated not simply because of compelling plots or vivid characters, but because of the truth and vulnerability embedded within every sentence. Among their most famous works, novels emerged that captured the hearts and minds of the world. These stories were not mere escapism, they were mirrors reflecting the complexities of society, of identity, and of the silent struggles faced by many. Their writing style, rich with imagery and nuanced dialogue, drew readers into worlds that felt as tangible as the pages they turned. With every book, they crafted universes where readers could lose themselves and, paradoxically, find themselves. Their unique themes explored the paradoxes of existence, the light and shadow that coexist in every soul. Themes of redemption, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit became hallmarks of their work. They wrote of journeys both internal and external, of battles fought within the chambers of the heart. Their stories were odes to those who dared to dream, to those who persevered against the tide of despair, capturing the essence of hope in the face of insurmountable odds. The author's legacy is one of transformation, a testament to the power of words to transcend circumstances. Their influence reverberates through the corridors of literature, inspiring generations to wield the pen as a tool for change, reflection, and exploration. They became more than a storyteller, they became a beacon for those who felt lost in the shadows, offering solace and strength through the universality of their narratives. For aspiring writers, the author's journey is a source of inspiration, a reminder that greatness is forged in the crucible of struggle. Their story encourages others to embrace vulnerability, to write with authenticity, and to persevere against the odds. They teach that rejection is not the end but a beginning, a chance to refine and emerge stronger. Their path illuminates the importance of staying true to one's voice, of daring to explore the themes that resonate deeply within. In the end, this author's life stands as a tribute to the transformative power of storytelling. From the depths of a challenging early life to the pinnacle of literary acclaim, their journey is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring impact of words. Through their narratives, they have not only shared their soul's shadows and light but have invited countless others to do the same, bridging the divide between heart and mind with every word, a legacy of inspiration for all who dream. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.